Smooth as butter. Not bad, was it? Oh no, okay. 46 level player, but this is a 40 million game. I found this in the first attempt again this time. I don't know why Miniclip is being generous. And I just did the break. I am using the blowout queue from the previous video. The previous video got so much engagement that I was totally blown away. The blowout queue did not blow me away, but instead, your reactions, your comments on the queue, and all, I was surprised actually that this queue has a lot of fan following in the 8-ball pool community because very few people agreed to me. I'm honest right now that I made a mistake, buying the queue. A lot of people were favoring this queue. That no, I made the right decision and this is a pretty good and rare queue. So maybe, I never said, well, to be honest, a lot of people were also saying that even visually I was wrong, visually this queue does not look that bad. But just to my eyes, I don't know why, I still feel it, I'm not going to change the opinion right now. But yeah, one thing people were agreeing on, that the cover photo was, exaggerated of this queue. And that was because the queue had a background glow in the image, and, when I was buying. So yeah, it was kind of deceiving. But the queue is great overall. I know it's a great queue, without a doubt. Alright, so we lost the game. A nice denial by my opponent. Guys, this is a very bad break, to be honest. A very, very bad break, not going to lie. Let's see if I can turn the table around with this break, which is very unlikely. Let's go for the... Oh wait, with this shot maybe I'm gonna clear the black ball. Yeah, I did! Oh, I think something good is happening right... Oh, this is game over. Wow, man. So yeah, obviously this table was more bad, worse, that's the proper thing to say, with stripes. But with solids, I don't think so. It was that bad. Let's go for the yellow ball. And yes, we are going to win the game. I'm telling you, since the previous video, performance-wise, the blowout queue is top-notch. I just cannot say how much. Alright, let's go for this. He's using the Moonlight queue, by the way. Is it the maxed out Moonlight queue? Oh, yes! We are playing against a maxed out Moonlight queue, but bro, sorry. The blowout queue just beat you right now. And there we go, we have just won the game. Every table is filled with stories. This was a story for you! Hold on! I thought I won it completely! Oh my god, that was a big troll. I still need to win one more game. Man, this player knows how to play the game, man. He's a pretty nice player, I'm not going to lie. Alright, it's time... Okay, so this is a chocolate that I'm eating right now. And I just took it out from the freezer, that's why it was so hard. And this is the chocolate. Okay, it's the inverted image, but it's a dairy milk. Obviously, you guys will recognize that. It's almost in every country in the world. So I should not have focused more on the chocolate. Oh no. What? Hold on, this chocolate is magical. This is magical. You know why? I'm not saying because he missed the shot. He missed a very similar shot. Mine was the bottom middle pocket. His was the top middle pocket. And the shot was very similar. And we have not lost the game. How can this happen? Was this guy also eating a chocolate because he missed a very simple shot? We also missed a very simple shot. Okay, let's try to compensate a bit. Let's go for a bank shot. I don't know if whether what I'm doing is the right thing or the wrong thing. Let's go for it, by the way. Yeah, very smooth bank shot this was. Now I will go for the yellow ball. Very less force over here. So this game is not over, man. This is a long all-in match going on because this is a worthy opponent, Time for the green ball with some force like that. Because, yeah, the black ball is going to go in this. No, is it possible or not? I will do it. Yeah, I think it is possible. It is possible. There goes our black ball. Again, guys, we are at the advantage. And now let's see if I can win. Oh. Now, I don't know what to title the video. Like, see, I did basically lose the game because of the chocolate. So I cannot instead, if something really happened, I won the game because of the chocolate. So I think, yeah, it's better to title that I won the game because of the chocolate. Because in my mind, yeah, that chocolate did something, magic spell type of, oh, no, is it too soon to say that? Sorry, no. And now I can go for the yellow, but little do you know that the yellow is gonna go in the top right pocket, just like that. Okay, black, yeah, no, I'm not gonna risk it, man. I don't want backlash in the comment section, so I'm gonna go for the black. Simply like that and secure the win over here because this guy has a lot of coins, obviously. He's playing a 40 million game. Yeah, I won it, right? Yes, we did it, finally. This was a long all-in game. You know, guys, I have went for solids in this game, but I definitely made a mistake, and that is because the blue blue solid ball is in a very bad position. Hey! No. Man, I bought the chocolate from this earth. I did not buy this from heaven or something. So how come after eating the chocolate, everything is like magical? I mean, I potted the green ball, with a fluke on that shot, and I also cleared the blue ball at the same time with that shot. What is that? And we can win this game. I'm getting such, by the way, positive vibes right now in the video. It's also because the previous video was very, fun and all after I published it. So he quits the game. Now this is the Berlin table. Let's go and do the break and take a bite. Oh! What am I eating right now? Man, I'm telling you, I was not about to put anything on the break, but as soon as I took the bite, the yellow ball went inside, and that rhymed. Oh, nice actually. But for it to be nice, it might be looking like an ASMR video because I'm also talking while eating, so the sound that must be coming should be epic. We can win this game, but because of a simple mistake, this can be lost as well in the blink of an eye, and I don't want that to happen. Let's go for the brown ball, and I'm gonna add some backspin on this shot. It's like, no. No. I'm gonna end the video. I have to remember from where I bought this chocolate. Hold on, but the story is not over yet. Oh, I don't think so. This blue ball is even possible, man. Yeah, finally Oh, it goes inside. It looks like... Oh, no. If I ended on top of the black ball, would have been nice. It's okay. Well, the chocolate can do part of the work, The rest I have to do. So, we lost the previous Berlin game, but now I'm back right now on the table. This is like attempt number 2 for this table. Very nice. I love the purple ball. This purple ball did a really nice thing. By the way, is the brown ball going inside the top right pocket, or... I don't think so it's gonna go inside, to be honest. Let's go for this. And I'm gonna add some top right spin. I think this much. What a nice spin work. I just freed my brown ball. Okay, this game I should definitely win, because this is a very simple game from this point. Now, I will not go for the black ball in the top middle pocket. I will go for it in the bottom right. Oh, I cannot go for the blue? Okay, very bad then. Let's go for the green ball. Alright, so I think, yeah, my plan is the same. Let's go for the blue. And for this shot, I need to add some top right spin. It's always usually difficult for me to make position for a middle pocket bank shot as compared to, any of the top right or bottom right. So now I'm going to go for this pocket. Finally, it is going to be a win, I guess. Yes, we do win the game and live the game, be the party. He's saying keep on talking. This is the last bite of the chocolate. And I know I'm looking very funny when I'm talking while eating, but it's okay. I'm sounding funny, that's what I mean. Let's go for a bank shot. Very nice shot. I'm happy that the black ball did not go inside. And actually none of my balls are stuck on the table, which is once again good. Let's actually win this game. Because the chocolate is at the reputation right now, For the sake of the chalk. Oh. Yeah. Now this is where I think $50 for this cube was worth it. Let's go for the brown ball. And I can go for... Wait, is the black also going in the... Let's try to pop the black in the bottom middle pocket. Even though that's not the pocket which I called, but... Imagine I called this pocket and I was just experimenting right now. And imagine he must imagine what he's thinking, my opponent. Nice, man. So the blowout Q can also do golden breaks. This was a 5 million match, guys. And we won it. But one thing I mean, not sad, but people were telling me in the previous videos comment section that the queue that I bought for $50, I had the chance to get that queue for free because Miniclip was giving this queue to creators for free. If I said like, if I only I had to make a video, happy, what, 10-year anniversary or something to Miniclip? No. Yeah, I think that only. Just mentioned that in a video. And I remember, you know, Miniclip approached me for that as well, but I just declined because I don't want to get too deep into that, but I just declined. There's obviously a reason why I declined. But let's go for the orange ball and let's go for the last shot of this game. Just like there. Okay. There goes the black ball. Another win for me. I used this jetpack after a long time, man. Pretty small coin match. Obviously, I'm gonna let my opponent win in this game. So I just spotted 2 balls. This is just I'm trying to, you know, take a break right now. Up, and above. Just like that. Alright, should I focus more on making position on the red ball? Well, I can't touch the red, but I can't put the 9 ball though. Mr. Kenneth from Denmark. And I just went for the first shot against Mr. Kenneth. I don't know, it's again that time. I don't know why my account or I follow the cycle. Again, I'm doing very nice breaks consistently, and then all of a sudden there comes a time when my breaks are bad. And then there's another cycle that I just completely stop getting my breaks. But right now, the breaking is very nice with me on this account. Let's go for the orange ball. And I'm adding backspin because I'm going for this back shot. Very smooth shot this was. And let's go for the brown ball right now. So Mr. Kenneth, oh! So I guess maybe overall, me purchasing the queue was not in fact a bad idea, I'm gonna say. Nice back shot. Alright, I did touch the purple. 9 ball, okay, it's not gonna go inside. Hello, purple ball. Do you wanna go inside the bottom? Oh god! Imagine if the cue ball went inside after such a nice shot, by the way. Alright, let's go for the orange ball. I'm gonna add some spin so that... Oh! I think karma exists! You know, my orange ball was going inside, but I think the green ball collided. But still the orange ball did go inside, for which I'm very happy about. And now I just went for the green ball. Let's say something... this. Now it's time for the brown. And there goes the brown ball. That's why I hit that with that much fortune spin so that I can now go for the black. And I'm gonna add back spin. There it goes. Oh, okay, but the spin was not enough. Go inside, go inside! Oh! Very nice attempt. Okay, this might be a challenging game for us. No, I think we can just do this. Maybe it's gonna work. Oh, that shot caused total chaos on the table. And I think we can win this game. Going for the green ball right now. And I think I have a plan, right? Should I get rid of the blue as well? Yes! Let's get rid of the blue as well. Because I'm gonna move to the right side of the table. That is, going for the red and then the brown. Now I'm thinking I should have actually gotten rid of the orange ball as well before moving to the brown. But I think I can make proper position for the orange ball. Just like that. Hold on, I can pot the orange. But will I be able to make position for the black now is the question. Yeah, I know most people would have called it bottom right pocket, but because I am bad... I think I have made the perfect position for the black ball. Very nice. And a very, very arrogant jetpack by saying that I never miss. And there goes our ball. And he is from? Man, I said that I'm getting nice breaks. All of a sudden, that's not the story. Alright, so oh, what? I potted 3 solid balls in one shot. Okay, time to clear the green ball, which I do. Alright, green goes over there. So depending on the black balls... Oh, wait. Maybe we can win this game, guys. Just maybe we can win this game. Oh, I messed up. What? No, I can still go for the green, but that's not the thing I'm talking about. I thought I will go for the green and then the black in the bottom left pocket, but now the black is not possible. The green is though. So I went for the green ball. Man, blowout Q, I trust your spin. Wow, man, very nice. And with that shot, we are going to seal the video. Goodbye.